Alright, we're back. Okay, my guess is a little bit of a burr right on the sharp edge going around this rocker arm. So I think that's where my problem's at. Someone got me a coarse file and a fine file. I'm going to see which one of those two files works the best. I'm going to try to deburr this edge a little bit here. These are kind of heat treated, so I'm not expecting much cutting, but it seems like it's not too heat treated. It's making an edge. Okay, wipe off the excess chips. Okay, it's clean. I'll go around this other side. I'm going to do the same thing on this other side here. You can see where I'm cutting in right here. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see what happens now. Still there a little bit, but in the middle it's free. It's just when you push one way or the other, you'll hear it, you'll feel it. And not sure if that really fixed it or not. Find out. Come on. Dumbass Kenny put a nut on a head. Jeez. Damn bad. Oops. It's called a strip rocker arm. More heel coiling. Quite as gritty as it was. Got more in play now too. But got a stripped head now we got to deal with. More issues. Alright. That helped it a lot. like that gritty noise. How's that sound? I'm pushing that away with it. Alright, looks like I got to work on these for a little while. Something to do another day. Tired of working on it tonight. Okay, I'm going to take these all apart. I'm going to have to clean everything off. Go in and hand file every rocker arm, deburr every locker block. Make sure everything else is good. Might even have to throw the damn things on a hone and give them a quick flash on across the inside bore to make them better looking, because these have not been honed at all on the inside. So basically I got to rebuild the damn new ones because they ain't worth the crap. And that stud's stripped. Pull the threads out of the rocker box. So those are supposed to pull down to 25 foot-pounds, so that one didn't fail. So we'll come back and redo that one. It's common for me to strip one or two of these out when I'm doing these things, because when you maximize the torques, you will pull threads if they're weak. So I don't like all this grinding noise we're getting, so time to rebuild the rocker arms. Whoopee! Taiwan Teddy at work again. Yeah, great. Alright, that's it for now.